Good morning, it's Strapsis, and we've just got back from our Lake George trip, and I did take some time during that trip to install some enhancements to the camper. I mentioned in my last video installing a battery monitor, and I did install also all the things I took out of the old one, which included locks, the cam barrel locks on all the storage compartments, and also the lock to the front door. I did put it back into the new camper. I was getting ready to put in some shelving to replace the wardrobe shelving that I had before, until I saw someone on the Facebook forum had suggested putting shelves in, actually using a Amazon Basics pre-made metal shelving system. It's a 3-shelf system. So we ordered it, and I just installed it last night, and it fits perfectly. So let me show you how that looks. You can see here it is installed. It comes in different colors. This is a black version, and it's got 3 shelves, and it fits all the way to the back just beautifully. And it fits in. I don't think you can get it any tighter. But you can see how much storage it gives you. It gives you those nice 3 shelves. And I'm going to put a link in the bottom on how you order that. It's kind of a pain to put together because you can't install it outside the wardrobe and then just put it in there. You actually have to build it inside the wardrobe, which was ultimately a pain in the neck. What we ended up doing was there's 2 extensions. There's a pole here that's in 2 parts. So if you unscrew all 4 of them, so you just have the lower one, and then you put all 3 of the shelves compressed all the way down, and then screw in the extensions, the pole extensions, and then raise up the shelves and put the little stopper, which is right here and right here, put the stoppers on afterwards. It actually works a lot better. Now, it still was a pain in the neck, I gotta say, but end result's beautiful, and I didn't have to drill into wood or make any shelving myself. So it was a great option. I'll put a link in the bottom so you can order it. Thanks.